the Letour multifunctional LED light here. Has magnets on the back, which are really nice, and you also have a hook, and you connect it to like a tripod if you want. Let's turn it on. You have 4 different settings. You have your battery power indicator there. So we'll go through the different settings. This is more the warmer setting, a little different setting, and then you have like kind of this cop light setting, I guess you would say. This would be if you were stuck on the side of the road. Really nice thing to have in your car because this is magnetic, like I said. It does come with some extra pucks, so if you want to add this to a non-magnetic surface, you can. You just basically double side tape these, and then these sit on there. I'll show you what the magnets look like. It'll hold it like this, and if you have a flat surface, it'll hold it underneath. This could be used in a shop for under cabinet lighting, right? And you can also use this to charge your phone. So it has a USB-C, which it comes with, but it also has an output here you can plug in and charge your devices. So all around, a really neat light stick, extremely bright, and definitely something I can welcome into my tools and my workshop. I really enjoy it. LEDs should be super strong, super bright, and last forever. I like that as an indicator right there. You're never left in the dark.